Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix broken XDMs. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue, the first thing that you need to do is open up your X app, and once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, then tap on settings and support, and now here tap on settings and privacy, and once you're inside your settings, here you'll see an option that says privacy and safety. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside privacy and safety, tap on the option that says direct messages. And once you're inside here, check to see if this allow message request form is set on verified users or everyone, because if it's set on no one, then you won't be able to get any DM to your account. So simply set on everyone, and once you have done this, go back and try again. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply go to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in X or Twitter and then search, and then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. And go back and try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.